Hi guys and welcome back. So Berachain, how to boost our airdrop even more. I found another couple of protocols that you can use right now, and even better, there are tasks that you need to complete the soonest possible in order to boost for real your airdrop. The reason why we love so much Berachain is because it's one of the few projects, it's literally the kind of air that we are breathing, the kind of feeling that we are having in that community is that for real, the community is something that is pushing. This project is some way community driven, even if we know that Berachain has already collected more than 140, so 140 $1 million. So that's literally a lot. A lot of money that has been collected, and the VCs are pouring on this project. So yes, the community is pretty involved, and I love that. But we can't deny that this project is also backed by great VCs. So it's one of the reasons why it's so valuable. If you want to know more about Berachain, I made already another 2 videos about that. I will leave both of the links into the right corner over there. I prepared for you a full playlist because I suggest you go through the whole, because in this video, I will not go through all the other dynamics, all the other protocols that you have to use if you want to boost your airdrop. Here are just a couple of tricks on top of what I have already said. So if you want to dig more, check it out that because it could be interesting. Okay, guys, let's start immediately. Let me say that this channel is about educational content. Nothing has to be intended as financial advice. If you want to invest in anything, that's super cool, super fine as always, but do always your own research before. What I'm sharing is just my knowledge, my point of view, but it's not an omnicomprehensive knowledge. You need to dig in order to expand your point of view and also help me to expand mine. One thing that I want to ask you is, guys, share with me what you know about, for example, in this case, Berachain and any other protocol that you believe that could be interesting. Let me know it in the comment section below. And guys, please don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up. Drop a comment to the comment section. That's a small effort for you, but really means a lot to me. And also it can help other people to retrieve this content and also help us to grow. Okay, let's start. And the first trick is literally easy, but nobody is doing that. As always, guys, I'm not saying that it's the key to succeed because we don't know, but that's something that could help you a lot. And I'm talking about using faucets. I'm not saying just use once a day, but use different ones all together, the same time, the same day. The more faucets you are using, the higher is the possibility for you to have more liquidity available into your wallet on that testnet. As always, there is no way to deploy a ton of money on testnet just to boost your airdrop. The only way that we have is using different tricks to increase our liquidity. And why not to use different faucets? What I will do is leaving into the comment section and also into the description below a list of different faucets that you can use. Be aware that not all of them are working always. Most of the times, or at least many times, they are running out of funds. So just keep trying and retrying, and you will be able to get the maximum out. Going on, I want to talk for a second about when we will receive this airdrop. Yes, because at the end of the story, it's a matter to when we will get it. The sooner, the better for us. Well, unfortunately, I have a bad news. It's not so close. Usually, in order to estimate when the airdrop will come, I'm often using Polymarket. That, yes, it's not like an oracle, so it's not the truth, but that's something that can help us. At least it's giving us an idea about the sentiment of the community. Right now, according to Polymarket, as you can see, this is asking airdrops by the 30th of June. The probability for Berachain is just about 30%. So as a minimum, it looks that we will have another 2 to 3 months to farm this airdrop. With any probability, it could be even 5-6 months. We don't know, but be ready for the possibility that it can take longer. And guys, remember, the key is about consistency. If you want to know something that could literally be a D trick, is prepare a list of protocols. In this video, we'll show you different protocols. To be exactly, I will show you 7 different new protocols that you can use. I'm not saying using them every day. I understand there is a lot of time, a lot of effort, but use them at least once a week. Put all the protocols that I'm mentioning into that video and visit them, using them every week. do that and be persistent. You will see that you will see results. Okay, before presenting you a super new protocol, let me share something that I think that could be really interesting for you, and it's about getting an airdrop by doing nothing. This airdrop is paying you around $3 to $4 per day, and it will last at least for a while. So it's literally about free money. It's not risk-free. I mean, nothing is risk-free. Everything that you use, every kind of contract that you interact, everything that you install, it always has a risk. That's something that you have to put in your mind. So I'm not saying that is risky because I don't have an answer. At the end of the story, the real level of risk is not transparent. That's something that we will discover it just ex post, so after any kind of incident. But for sure, right now, this protocol is easy to use. All you have to do is just get access. I will leave a code into the description below and also into the comment section. Install the extension, and the protocol will start using a small part of your bandwidth in order to help users who want to train their AI models to use your bandwidth in order to accelerate and in order to optimize their effort. As you can see, if you go through the full landing page, it's about AI. So that's a project that could be pretty hyped during the upcoming bull run. And not to mention that the estimate that I gave you at the beginning about the value of this airdrop, it is simply because it is already listed pre-market, at least the points that you will earn by using Grass, that's the name of the protocol. It's already listed on that protocol, so you can even sell them directly. So feel free to check it out. I'm just sharing it with you because I think that considering that you are maybe farming Berachain, it is another free protocol, even easier to be used. Why not to take this opportunity? Okay, guys, let's go back, and I want to talk about ETH sign. ETH sign, it's a protocol to me could be valuable mainly because from one side it's a cool protocol. We're talking about something that can have an utility into the real world, and that's something that honestly I always love. We are talking about an application that is managing invoices and any kind of contract, allowing you to sign through the blockchain. So powerful, so cool. Plus, on the other side, this is a pretty unknown project. Not so many people are knowing it is available also in Berachain, that you can use it. Maybe, I don't know if they will ever have an airdrop, but for sure, that's another smart contract you can add to your list in order to boost them, to make your interactions unique. As always, guys, remember, you need to be distinctive. You need to do something that other people don't do if you want to boost your airdrop. That's the rule number one. At the end, we don't know the exact algo, but we are just trying to do our best in order to maximize the probabilities. If you want to know how it works, it's really easy. Just click new contract, click on any of the other templates here, use this template. You don't need even to fill any of these fields, just do next, 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 and you will be able to sign with your wallet. It's straightforward and it takes you just a few seconds, and you will have a protocol that most of the people will not. Abracadabra. It was one of the biggest player into the previous bull run, and it's coming back, to be fair. It's pretty interesting to see that they are deployed also on Berachain. It's pretty straightforward how to use it. Just get an LP, so you can click here, get LP. You will be redirected to the BEX, so the decentralized exchange of Berachain. Just deploy for the pair meme Honey, and you will be able to leverage your LP, so borrowing against ETH. And that's something that can help you in two ways. First of all, we are always using a new protocol. On the other side, borrowing, it's something that from one side is creating you TVL, and on the other side it's getting you leverage. So more volumes, more TVL, and maybe also more airdrop. So that's something that I like it. Going on, and I want to show you something that is easy to use. It's a single action. You can go to this link. I will leave all the links of everything that I talked about into the description below and also into the comment section. So you will be pretty straightforward to retrieve everything. In this case, Crypto Rumble is allowing you to mint an NFT on Berachain. As always, guys, remember Berachain and NFTs are so connected. They are so embodied into the chain, into the philosophy of this community. So use the NFT and buy them, interact with them. Remember also that just now there are NFTs enough that have a full capitalization of all the NFTs available. That is about hundreds of millions. And all these NFTs are holded just to qualify for the airdrop, just to give you an idea on how big could be this airdrop. If you want to play after that with the game, it's another way to get qualified. Going on and talking still about NFTs, there are two other things that you have to know. One is Kingdomly Mint, that is like from one side a mint creator tool, so it has also its own marketplace. As you can see, there are new projects that are coming. Berachain that is coming soon. My suggestion is, guys, these projects are continuously evolving, and you need to stay on track with them. So again, create your own list, visit them every week. That's something that will help you a lot. So, and also remember that new things are coming out. That's insane. From the last video that I did, it was about 1 month ago. So many new projects came out, and all of them, the more we are using them, the better will be for our airdrop. Still about NFTs, Morky, it's pretty easy also in this case. Just sign here, connect your wallet, and mint this NFT. It's also a nice bear, and you will get some points maybe for your airdrop. As you can see, there are not so many people who already minted it, because it's just about 100,000 people. Yes, I know it's a lot either way, but if you consider it, for example, on Galaxy, there are millions of people using and participating to that quest. Well, 100,000 is a lot, but it's better than what we have just seen. Going to another one that is, it's about also persistency, and keep visiting it, because as you can see, they are giving away weekly rewards. It's called the honey jar. I already talked about that in my previous video, but the quests are continuously evolving and new quests are coming out. So use that, use also their faucet, check them, check their events and so on, because are small actions, but all of them are helping you to qualify for the airdrop. And finally, connected to this one, there is WAGMI Pad, that also in this case allowing you with a couple of activities just to get some new, let's call it points, even if Berachain doesn't have any point. But again, the more smart contracts you are using, the more things you are using, the better it is. So guys, let me know if there is anything cool that just came out recently on Berachain that you suggest me, that you want to suggest me to use, or maybe to review and create a content about that. Connect to the Berachain. I will be more than happy to check it out. I think that Berachain, it's lovely to see how hot, how warm is the community. And yes, let's hope that also the airdrop will be satisfying enough. Guys, don't forget also to check out the GetGrass application. That's another easy way. And let me know also if you want to know more about new free airdrops, because there are another couple that I'm following and I'm using specifically about DP, so decentralized infrastructure. That's something that I truly believe it will be a big trend in the coming months. If you want to know more about that, just let me know into the comment section below. Guys, don't forget also to leave us a big thumbs up, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye, guys.